If you have a graphics card and set GPU compute, Blender will use the GPU for rendering, which in most cases is significantly faster than using the CPU, especially in cycles. Just remember to enable your hardware in the preferences. Samples. Set 64 to 256 and use a noise threshold of 0.02 for fast, clean renders with adaptive sampling. Denoise, use for clean results without losing detail, perfect for animation. Motion blur. Enable it when objects or the camera move to naturally smooth motion and increase realism. Compositor GPU. Always render on the GPU for significantly faster performance than the CPU. Light paths. Light paths control how many times light can bounce. Fewer bounces mean faster renders, but lower realism. Volumetrics. Volumetrics are heavy, so keep them minimal or reduce step rate if possible. Use spatial splits. Speeds up rendering in complex scenes by improving how geometry is processed. Use curves BVH. Improves performance when using hair, fur, or curve-heavy scenes. Persistent data. Keeps data between animation frames, greatly reducing render times. Compact BVH. Reduces memory usage at the cost of slightly slower rendering, useful on weaker GPUs.